Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Jamani Parkinson, Quayne Smith, and team captain Alex Anderson. While Manchester High is represented by team captain Matthew Dunkley, Kimarley Ferguson, Antonia Wheatley, and Raheem Dunn. Hello and welcome to the second match in this best of three quarter-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. In this best of three quarter-final series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the semi-final round. Titchfield High won their opening match and will book their spot in the semi-final with another win. Manchester High must win today in order to force a deciding match. So it all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Titchfield High won and decided to go first, so we begin with Titchfield High. Section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, Titchfield. So we'll begin with information technology. What technology is used to make telephone calls over the internet possible? Modem. No, it's a voice over internet protocol, VoIP. Info technology for Manchester. What is the process of starting or restarting a computer called?
Rebooting.
Booting, judges? Look at the local affairs, a visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Michael Ricketts.
No, it's Danville Walker, the former director of elections. Local affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Patrick Brooks.
No, it's Kent Pantry, former director of public prosecutions. Literature, Titchfield. What is the name of Kino's wife in the novel The Pearl?
Michelle.
No, Juana. Literature, Manchester. What is the name of the small town featured in the novel The Pearl?
Small town in the Pearl.
Mecomb.
No, La Paz. Music and audio one for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Don't concentrate on what's bogus.
Come here.
No, Speak Life. Music from Manchester. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
I'm a one in a zillion. Yo, doggy, if you want some good life, finally.
Zion.
No, Living It Up. Both by Damian Marley. Jamaican heritage for Titchfield. By what other name is the staple cassava used to make bammies known?
Yucca.
Or manioc, correct. Jamaican heritage, Manchester. The entrails and other parts of which animal are most often used in the Jamaican soup known as manish water?
Goat.
That's right. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Angelina Jolie.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Brianna Song.
No, it's Renee Zellweger. French, Titchfield. What is the English translation for the verb repasser?
Repasser. To iron.
That's right. French, Manchester. What is the English translation of prendre une douche?
To take a shower.
Good. Sport or visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Dane Dawkins.
No, that's Sean Bridge Mohan, a Jamaican-born U.S. jockey. Sport from Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jason Da Costa.
No, Anthony Nunez, Jamaican racehorse trainer. Art for Titchfield. The Greek mythical character Medusa was the subject of a late 16th century work by which artist?
Who the Medusa? Anything Medusa. Benvenuto Cellini. Say again. Benvenuto Cellini.
No, it's Caravaggio. Art from Manchester. The Garden of Love is the name of a 17th century painting by which artist?
Caravaggio.
No, Peter Paul Rubens. Bible knowledge, Titchfield. Which prophet responded, "Here am I, send me," to God's question, "Whom shall I send and who will go for us?"
Inca, Isaiah, Jeremiah.
Isaiah. Bible knowledge, Manchester. Who said he was not a prophet nor the son of a prophet, but was a shepherd?
Amos.
That's right. Biology, Titchfield. What is the name? Oh, and we won't have time. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Titchfield High on 3 points, Manchester High taking the early lead on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge quarter-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.